Math with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution. But what is the question and when should you start the solution? The question says, find the value of 21 raised to 63 over 63 raised to 21. To start the solution, I'm going to rewrite this number, which means 63, as the product of 21 and 3. Let's see, what do we have here? Here we have on top 21 raised to 63 over bottom 21 times 3 raised to 21. Now I'm going to follow a math rule that says if we have AB raised to m, it can be written in the form of a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m. So on top we have 21 raised to 63, bottom is 21 raised to the power of 21, this 3 raised to 21. Now I'm going to split this fraction into two fractions. The first one, 21 raised to 63 over this 21 raised to 21 times 1 over 3 raised to 21. Let's see what happened. Now what do we have? Same base, different exponent. Next exponential rule that says a to the power of m over a to the power of n can be written as in the form of a to the power of m minus n. So it is going to be 21, same base. I want to write one base, 63 minus 21. 63 minus 21, this is first fraction, times 1 over 3 to the power of 21. So it is going to be, on top we have 21, 63 minus 21, which is 42 over 3 to the power of 21. What is the next step? Let me rewrite it here. So we have on top 21 raised to 42, bottom 3 raised to 21. What is your strategy to continue the solution? Look here, what do we have? 21 raised to 42. 42 can be written in the form of 21 plus 21. Let me write it. 21 raised to 21 plus 21 over 3 raised to 21. But what is this? Look here, we have a to the power of n plus n. It is exactly a to the power of n times a to the power of n. So 21 to the power of 21 plus 21 can be written in the form of 21 raised to 21 times 21 raised to 21. Bottom we have 3 raised to 21. Again, I'm going to split it in the form of two fractions. So first one, 21 raised to 21 over 3 raised to 21 times 21 raised to 21. What is this? A to the power of m over b to the power of m. A to the power of m over b to the power of m. It can be written in the form of a over b to the power of m. So it is going to be 21 over 3 raised to the power of same exponent, right? I write this one times 21 raised to 21. What is 21 over 3? How do you know? It is going to be 7. I write 21 times this number, 21 raised to the power of 21. What is the next step? This 21 can be written in the form of 7 times 3, right? So let's write it. 7 raised to the power of 21, this one, times. This one can be written in the form of 7 times 3 raised to the power of 21. So what is this? AB raised to the power of m. Again, this rule. AB raised to the power of m can be written in the form of a to the power of m times b to the power of n. So it is going to be 7 raised to the power of 21 times 7 raised to the power of 21 times 3 raised to the power of 21. What is this? Same exponent, different bases. So I write 7 times 3 raised to the power of 21. Let's see what is this. 7 times 7, 49. Now, 49 times 3. 3 times 9, 49 times 3. 3 times 9, it is going to be 27. 2 here. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So it is going to be 147 raised to the power of 21. So the answer of our question is 147 raised to the power of 21. If you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. Have fun.